Hello, it's Susan for Boku No Hero Cosplay, and today we're going to be making the glove for the Fantasy Ochako cosplay from Boku No Hero Academia. To make Ochako's glove, I've got two of the pieces of purple fabric, and for the pattern I just traced around my hand to make a turkey hand design onto some tissue paper, and that's going to be the pattern. So now we're going to pin everything together and we're going to sew it together. We're going to follow the line of the tissue paper and just sew through all three layers. Once it has been sewn, rip off the paper and trim away any excess fabric. Turn the glove right side out, and now we're going to make the cuff. And to do that, we're going to cut a rectangle and fold it in half and sew it together along the two sides. Turn the cuff right side out, then we're going to top stitch along the edge, and we're also going to zigzag the bottom to help keep it from fraying. Putting right sides together, sew the cuff onto the glove. I also, along with sewing the two pieces together, went around with another layer of zigzag stitching just to help keep everything together and to keep it from fraying. Fold the cuff piece of the glove back out, then on the reference image there were two dots on the end of the glove, so I just sewed on some more of the rose beads to match the dress. One thing I should point out is that even though this was a woven material, it did have a bit of stretch to it, and I definitely would recommend using a material with some stretch in it when making gloves. But now it's all done. For more tutorials on how to make the rest of the costume, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.